everybody, Jimmy is Premo here, and today we'll talk about the Nintendo Switch PlayStand. And so this is actually one thing that the original Nintendo Switch all by itself is kind of lacking, is just the one little angle that this little kickstand in the very back kind of gives you. Plus when you kind of knock it over just a little bit, even if you're playing with it on the table, it does actually kind of fall down. And for me, any place that I've actually played with it, it's a little hard for me to kind of see it at the angle that I want. So this PlayStand will actually give you 3 different angles that should be able to kind of give you guys exactly what you guys are looking for. Also, it's a way that you'd be able to plug in and charge your tablet at the exact same time. So when you kind of play with this and it's standing up with the normal kickstand that's on there, it's kind of covering the area to where you'd be able to charge it. So let's open this up and check it out. So the first thing that I've noticed when I was checking this out here, because I did actually open this up and play with it for a couple minutes, is just kind of how plasticky it is. But honestly, it gets the job done, and so it's really the functionality that is winning the game for sure. So Nintendo Switch, you want to have the logo on the very front, and on the bottom you can actually switch this down, and inside of here you can kind of see that there's a couple different small little nipples inside of there that'll basically kind of go into the 2 little holes on the bottom of your Nintendo Switch that is surrounding the charging port. So it's a way to kind of hold it. The other thing I've noticed is that on the very back you're going to have a couple little holes, and so I've noticed that you can actually place the charging cable through here and then through the very bottom on this opening to actually give it its charge, and it works fairly well. So this is right here the angle for the very first position. So if I was to take the Nintendo Switch and place it on there, this is what it will look like. So for me right now, this is a little low because you can actually kind of see the camera in the reflection. What you want to see is basically your face in the reflection, which means that it's basically getting where it should be. So right now, this is actually perfect for my viewing angle. And then the very last one, you can actually take it all the way down. And what you'll kind of notice is that there's a little bit of gap still left. So technically, there's almost 4 different angles that you'd be able to use. So if you're sitting on your chair at your table, the table and where you will be sitting with your chair, if it's a little bit higher, this right here will be perfect for you. Most of everybody will probably use the middle option. So if you were to take your charging cable, which I actually have right here, and then you place it through the very middle or the very bottom hole, and then you place it through the hole going on the other side, which sometimes is actually a lot easier just to kind of do this. So here it pops on out. Let's actually give this thing a little plug in, and then you set it down. That right there is actually how it will sit on your stand. So this will give you the optimal positioning of playing your game for the Nintendo Switch. So this right here was the little unboxing, and I guess for the review of this is definitely something that has been missing. And when I played with this PlayStand the other day when I was playing Zelda, it was definitely giving me the exact angle that I was looking for, because the little baby kickstand on the back of the Nintendo Switch just was not doing it for me. So if you guys are looking for something to kind of give your guys' gameplay a little bit better of an edge and have a little bit better of an angle, definitely go out there and get the PlayStand. It's actually fairly cheap. It's around $12.99. I'll place the link below the video for Amazon, and also here is the Nintendo Switch Pro controller. I'll also put that link below the video too if you guys are looking for that, looking to pick it up. Hope you guys like this video. Make sure you guys hit on like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys later.